Hello IG Garage family, if your scanner is showing the P2401 code, don't ignore it. Because this code is related to your vehicle's EVAP system, specifically the leak detection pump. And if left unresolved, it can trigger the check engine light, increase harmful fuel vapor emissions, and prevent your vehicle from passing an emissions inspection. What does P2401 mean? P2401 stands for Evaporative Emission System Leak Detection Pump Control Circuit Low. In simple words, the ECU has detected that the control circuit for the leak detection pump, also known as the LDP, is receiving a lower than expected voltage signal. The leak detection pump is responsible for checking the EVAP system for fuel vapor leaks. It creates pressure or vacuum inside the EVAP system so the ECU can determine whether there are leaks in the fuel tank, hoses, or charcoal canister. When the control circuit voltage is too low, the pump may not operate correctly, and the ECU stores the P2401 trouble code. Common symptoms: if your vehicle has P2401, you may notice: check engine light on, failed emissions inspection, EVAP monitor not completing, fuel vapor smell around the vehicle, reduced EVAP system performance, and sometimes additional EVAP-related trouble codes. Most vehicles will continue to drive normally because this code mainly affects the emissions control system. Component location. Now let's talk about location. The leak detection pump is usually mounted near the charcoal canister close to the fuel tank underneath the vehicle. On some vehicles, it is integrated with the EVAP canister assembly. The pump is connected to the ECU through an electrical wiring harness and connector. Since it is installed underneath the vehicle, it is constantly exposed to water, road salt, mud, and debris. The most common causes of P2401 include faulty leak detection pump, low control circuit voltage, damaged wiring harness, short to ground in the control circuit, loose or corroded electrical connectors, poor ground connection, blown fuse, or ECU problems in rare cases. A damaged wire or poor ground connection is one of the most common causes of this code. Quick diagnosis: start by scanning for additional EVAP system trouble codes. Inspect the leak detection pump wiring and connector. Look for damaged insulation, corrosion, or broken wires. Verify power and ground using a digital multimeter. Check the control circuit voltage. Use a professional scan tool to command the leak detection pump on. And verify that the pump responds correctly. How to fix P2401: repair damaged wiring, repair any short to ground condition, clean or replace corroded connectors, replace blown fuses if necessary, replace the faulty leak detection pump if testing confirms failure, clear the code, and perform a complete EVAP drive cycle to verify the repair. Final result: fixing P2401 will restore proper leak detection pump operation, reduce fuel vapor emissions, allow the EVAP monitor to complete successfully, help your vehicle pass emissions testing, and keep the check engine light OFF. If this video helped, subscribe to IG Garage and comment your vehicle make and model for more diagnostic help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.